What's up, YouTube? So today we're gonna finish where we started. Take you to the Lexus. As you can see, I already took off the fuel pump. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Here's the ring. Pretty dirty. So this was on here. It's pretty simple how to take this off. Just use a flathead, and dig your way around until you can pull it off. Then disconnect this connector from here. Disconnect the clips, these two right here. You can just push them like that or like that. So yeah, so the clips, sorry about that, so the clips go like in here. You can just pull them out. You can use where's my flathead? The flathead if you want. Okay, and then you got to use the mallet. If you have a hammer or mallet, I'm gonna show you how I did it. I just put it right here on this corner like that, and I used the hammer and bashed it right here and kept spinning it. If it locks up, it's only because of this. This is hitting on this or this. So just keep, you could use your nail or the fucking whatever you want so it keeps spinning freely. And then that's it. Disconnect the hoses, remember, disconnect the hoses, and then just like that you could pull it up. You got to use two hands since these fucking shit, but it's not that hard. Once it's out, just drain the fuel on a bucket. I'm gonna try to get a clean bucket if I can. Gas is expensive now, so yeah, pretty simple. I already have the new connector, which is over here. Here, the connector. Here's the part number if you need it. I know how I'm gonna open this car. I should let the air out, because if it gets hot in here, I don't want this car to not explode, but catch on fire. Here's the Z still looking pretty good. But yeah, anyways, I'm back to the point. YouTube, I wish there was fucking videos about this car. There's no videos about this car, so I'm doing you guys a favor, showing you how to take this shit off without using that special tool. Just a hammer and a fucking mallet. Alright everyone, I'm back. So as you can see, here's a new fuel pump. Not the new one, but new fuel pump right here. I already ordered the new connector. As you can see, this connector is shot, gone. So $7, pretty cool. And here's the bucket. Here's the other connector, as you saw on the last part. So should be good. This piece right here was so hard to put back in, that little piece. You can see, all the marks. Very hard. I don't know if I bent this. It doesn't matter since I'm selling this car, so I hope no one watches this YouTube video. But other than that, we're good. As you can see, I covered the gas port so it doesn't smell like pure gas inside this car. Pretty cool. Next up is going to be changing the brakes in the back because they're completely gone. Completely gone in both sides. Alright everyone, piece is secured. Here is I'm going to show you the part number right now. Here's the part number for the fuel pump harness. This is what I needed to put on the fuel pump. Right in there. So I'm going to get chains, take the sweater off, and I'm going to show you how to do it. The Lexus is back on the road, everyone. Right, I took off it. See, right here. It was pretty simple. I just used two clamps to clamp down. I'm going to show you right on the camera. Give me a second. To clamp down this right here. It is a clamp, and I just pulled it out. Very simple. So I'm gonna get the new one already. I'm gonna put this piece. So this piece right here goes right in there. Should be pretty easy. And then I'm gonna jerry rig the component. So if I take you to the car, open this. I have this right here. So I'm gonna jerry rig this. I'm gonna polish it, clean it up. This right here, everyone. Clean it up, polish it, and then since this piece is broken, it's just gonna go like this on top of the other one. And I believe my brother wants to buy this car. It's a good car. I'm gonna have another video of 5 more things / 6 more things I hate about this car. I really don't mind this car, but just wait until that video drops. I should have a video dropping on this car. It should be already out when you're seeing this. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to it, take you on around the journey, fixing this goddamn fuel pump, test driving this car. So let's go. All right, everyone, I got it kind of assembled. This thing doesn't want to go in, that doesn't want to go in. It's okay. I actually had to put back the other OEM fuel pump because the one I bought on eBay, it just doesn't fit. I'll show you just in case you buy it. Right here. So these prongs, I already broke it so I can show you better, but these prongs are way too big. It does not fit the fuel pump connector at all. So I think this is from a 2005 2006 third generation. I mean, no, my bad, a 2005 to 2004 second generation fuel pump, because these are way too big. So I got it all assembled, and I'm going to show you what I did with my little connector problem. It's in there. Let me take you outside to where the light is. I don't think you can see it, but it's in there. I sprayed some shit on the fuel pump because it is old and like black stuff did come out, and as well of some chunks. I don't know what that chunk is. It could be from this right here disintegrating and falling inside of there. So we're gonna put this back on. There is a hurricane coming, so I actually have to hurry up before Wednesday. So I'm gonna show you all this process. I'm gonna put that back. I'm gonna wrap this connector. Actually, I'm gonna sand it down because I'm not trying to make this car blow up. That's the other guy's problem, not my problem. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in. Pray for me it works. All right, everyone, I got the connector in. I sanded it. This gasket was gonna drive me crazy. I don't know how it really goes. Like, I tried putting it in, so I'm just gonna fuck with that. I'm gonna probably put some JB Weld in that bitch. You already know. So I'm gonna put the fuel pump in already inside here. So wish me luck. Alright, everyone, if you hear that, that means we got it started. Check that out. I was doing some other electrical stuff. It's not really important, but if you want, I'll tell you. It's only because I did not buy a new top hat, so I had to fix this connector. I broke this connector, so one of these connectors had a little prong still on it. So I took that out with, you know, this right there and that. It was like another 30 minutes, but it's worth it because I got the damn Lexus running again. We back outside. You already fucking know what it is. Camber gang. Just wait until I get this shit camber. I'm just letting the Lexus warm up right now. Check that out. It is burning quite a bit of oil. Unless it's some shit inside there. But I might buy a new top hat and just redo this whole thing because I don't trust it. That shit looks whack as fuck. So next, oh bro, that's a lot. Look at that. A lot of smoke. How's the car right now? I'm just letting it warm up right now. Burning all that gunk inside that fuel tank. Alright, everyone, as you can see, back to normal. The Lexus is back to normal. Thank God, thank God. I can now sell this car. Took 2 months to fix. Kind of sucks, but really, the 370Z over there is way better. Like, it's just more fun. This is a daily, but a cool ass daily. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You really can't complain. Pretty fun, pretty stressful at the same time. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Quick little update. I just had gas spew all over here. So now I don't even know what the heck is going on. This hose was loose, apparently. So a bunch of gas right there on the floor, and just rinse it off with the water. So let's see what happens.